Today we're gonna make mille-feuille, a very delicious French pastry. For that we're gonna need 2 cups of milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2.5 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 bag of puff pastry, 1 medium lemon juice, and we're gonna need 2 cups of powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and we're gonna set up our oven at 380 degrees so we can bake our puff pastries. We're gonna place the puff pastries on a baking pan. Okay, we gotta make sure it's even, nice and neat. Okay, once it's placed on the baking pan, we're gonna set up another baking pan on top of it to prevent the puff pastry from rising too much. And now we're gonna start the pastry cream. To make the pastry cream, we're gonna get the stuff at medium heat. Then we're gonna add the milk, the 3 tablespoons of sugar, the cornstarch, and we're gonna mix this here for at least 10 minutes until it becomes kind of thick. Okay, once the pastry cream is ready and thick, we're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we're gonna turn off the heat, guys, at this time. And then we're gonna add a tablespoon of butter into the cream, and we're gonna stir it until the butter has melted. Then we're gonna remove it from the heat and we're gonna let it cool down. And now we're gonna start the glaze, the lemon glaze. And to make this lemon glaze, we're gonna add the powdered sugar little by little, and until the glaze catches up a thick and creamy glazy look. Okay, so it looks like the glaze is ready, guys. Okay, and it looks good. So now we're going to start our pastries. Okay, they're ready. We got it out of the oven, and this is how they're supposed to look, kind of crispy color. You see the thickness of the pastry. Okay, we're gonna cut them in half. We're gonna cut every one of them in half. That way we have them ready, okay, to build up the actual pastries. Okay, and here's where we're gonna start. We're gonna grab one layer Then we're gonna add a uniform layer of pastry cream. Okay, we're gonna make sure it's completely uniform, just so you can have a great taste whenever we're ready to enjoy it. We're gonna add another layer of pastry puff on it, and we're gonna keep adding the pastry cream. Add another layer. We're gonna do the same thing. Then we're gonna add another layer of puff pastry, and then on top we're gonna add the glaze. Okay, that glaze is a little bit sour and sweet, so it's gonna be a delicious pastry. It's very popular. Okay, so we're gonna do pretty much the same thing. We're gonna make a uniform layer on it. And now we're ready to decorate the pastry. We're gonna use a skewer to make a zebra style design using Nutella. Okay, once it's ready, we're gonna drag the skewer back and forth until we get a nice looking design. We are now going to place them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes before serving. This is the final result. I hope you guys like it, enjoy it, and we'll see you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.